here today, we are going to unbox yet another electric scooter from Ausom. Awesome. Is it going to be awesome as our previous electric scooters? Let's get started. This is what's all included in the box. Now, let's install it. Should not be a problem. Okay, that's the handlebar. Now we install this seat. But of course you can choose to install or not. It depends on you. But here, let's just install. It's very easy. As we can see, we have 4 screw holes here. We just place the support onto the holes and then screw tight them. And that's it. Fully tighten them. Alright. Alright, that's it. So that's the installation. It took me maybe about 5 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes maybe most. And yeah, let's turn the thing on. We first insert the key, turn on, and then press and hold this button. Check it out. The screen lights up. Alright, and that's it. That's the installation. For the detailed review, stay tuned. It will be out like a couple of days later, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye-bye.